Hey, it's Mitch, one of the exercise physiologists here at BJC Health. Today I'm going to be talking to you about our lovely exercise bike. So the exercise bike is a fantastic machine that we can use to get your heart rate up and get you really working while completely offloading the joints. There's absolutely no impact involved, so it's really good for anyone and everyone to use. Now firstly, to set this thing up, what we need to do is get the seat height right. What we need to do is make sure that the seat is up in line with the big bone on the side of our hip. So what we do is that we pull out the pin, lift the seat up to about in line with that bone, let that click on in. You'll know that's in line because you can lean on it. From here, holding onto the handles, feet into the stirrups, going to hop up and over, okay? And you'll know that you're in a good position when you've got just a little bit of a bend at the knee at the bottom leg, okay? From here, we get going, we start cycling. Once you start cycling, the machine then powers up because we're what actually powers the machine. Once it's all right and ready to go, we hit the quick start button. You'll see the time come up at the top and you'll see your distance and your speed. From here we can set intervals for you, so 30 seconds on, 30 seconds off. We can tell you aim for speeds of 90 reps per minute. We can go back down to 60. And we can set the effort level from anywhere from 1 to 25, which just makes it harder and harder. So you can see we can do a lot of interval work, a lot of endurance work on this fantastic machine. So get cycling, get that heart rate up and get working.